We started running out of hay, and it got messy fast. This wasn't just one day. This was weeks of trying to make it last.
It's a story we live. City to the country, this is where it begins.
And it wasn't just us. Our hay guy ran out of square bales, and finding more hay wasn't easy. Last hay season in this region wasn't great. So when supply gets tight, everybody feels it. We had to be careful with what we had. We were still getting round bales, but that's not how we usually feed everything. So we had to start making it work. Once you start breaking round bales apart, it gets messy fast. It's not clean, it's not efficient, but when you're low, you do what you have to do. We even tried cutting it, but that didn't really work either.
You feel it switch, but that's it. It's not even, like I can't stick my arm in it and push it.
So when that didn't work, we were out here doing this at night, trying to stretch what we had, making sure everybody got fed. You're not thinking about perfect, you're just thinking about getting through it. Out here all night for what?
To make sure the animals eat. It's for the animals.
Alright, so your knife, let's pick all the string up. So we just kept going, day, night, breaking it down, spreading it out, doing whatever we need to do to make it last. And eventually, you find a rhythm. It's not how you planned it, but it works for now.
Get that from over there by T-Bone. T-Bone look as big as you.
After weeks like this, we're almost out of the woods. They should be cutting hay again by the end of May. Until then, you figure it out. And that's farm life. Thanks for watching Farm Life Diaries, Urban Fusion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
From the block